Howdy partners! Welcome to the ultimate guide on achieving the perfect crispy sweet potato fries. Let's talk sweet potato fries. These delicious orange wonders are a favorite for many, but they can be tricky to get just right. We all love them, right? Whether it's a side dish or a snack, sweet potato fries are a crowd pleaser. But sometimes they turn out soggy. It's a common problem that can leave you feeling frustrated. Not a fan of limp, sad fries? Me neither. There's nothing worse than expecting a crispy bite and getting a mushy mess instead. Today, I'm sharing my secrets for perfectly crispy sweet potato fries every time. These tips will change your fry game forever. Get ready for a taste sensation. We've all been there, craving those crispy, crunchy bites of sweet potato goodness. You crave those crispy, crunchy bites of sweet potato goodness. The kind that makes you go, wow, with every bite. But instead, you end up with a plate of disappointment. It's disheartening to see your efforts result in soggy fries. Soggy, sad fries that just don't hit the spot. They lack the crunch and flavor that makes sweet potato fries so irresistible. But fear not, my friends. There's a solution. With a few simple tricks, you can achieve the perfect crispy texture every time. With a few simple tricks, you can say goodbye to soggy fries forever. From choosing the right sweet potatoes to mastering the cooking technique, I've got you covered. Get ready to transform your sweet potato game. Follow along and soon you'll be enjoying the crispiest, most delicious sweet potato fries you've ever made. Before we jump into the recipe, let's gather our ingredients. It's important to have everything ready and within reach to ensure a smooth cooking process. This not only saves time, but also helps in achieving the perfect texture and flavor. Each one plays a crucial role in achieving that perfect crispy texture. From the sweet potatoes to the seasonings, every ingredient has its own unique contribution. Sweet potatoes. Choose firm sweet potatoes with smooth skin for the best results. The quality of the sweet potatoes can make or break your fries. Look for ones that are free from blemishes and have a vibrant color. This ensures they are fresh and will cook evenly. Olive oil. A light coating of olive oil helps the fries crisp up beautifully. Olive oil not only adds a subtle flavor, but also aids in the cooking process by helping the fries achieve that golden brown color. Cornstarch, the secret weapon for extra crunch. Cornstarch creates a thin, crispy layer on the outside of the fries, making them irresistibly crunchy. Just a small amount can make a big difference. Sea salt enhances the natural sweetness of the sweet potatoes. Sea salt is preferred over regular table salt because it has a more complex flavor and adds a nice texture to the fries. Black pepper adds a touch of warmth and depth of flavor. Freshly ground black pepper is always best as it has a more robust flavor compared to pre-ground pepper. We're keeping it simple with just a few pantry staples. Sometimes less is more. By using high-quality, basic ingredients, we let the natural flavors of the sweet potatoes shine through. These ingredients work together in perfect harmony to create sweet potato fries that are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. The balance of flavors and textures makes these fries a delightful treat. Whether you're serving them as a side dish or a snack, they're sure to be a hit with everyone. Now that we have our ingredients, let's get those sweet potatoes ready for their amazing transformation. Follow these easy steps. 1. Wash and scrub the sweet potatoes thoroughly under cold running water. 2. Pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel. 3. Cut the sweet potatoes into fries. I like mine about ½ inch thick. And that's it for prepping, see? Easy peasy. Remember, the key to evenly cooked fries is to cut them into uniform sizes. This ensures that they'll all cook at the same rate and be delicious. This next step is optional, but trust me, it makes a world of difference. Soaking the sweet potato fries in cold water helps to remove excess starch. 1. Fill a large bowl with cold water. 2. Add the cut sweet potato fries to the bowl and let them soak for at least 30 minutes. You can even soak them for up to an hour if you have time. After soaking, drain the fries in a colander and pat them completely dry with paper towels. Soaking might seem like an extra step, but it's the secret to achieving that ultra crispy texture. It's well worth the wait. Section 5. The art of drying, patting your way to success. I can't emphasize this enough. Dry fries equal crispy fries. After soaking, make sure those fries are completely dry before they hit the heat. Spread the fries out in a single layer on a clean kitchen towel or paper towels. Gently pat them dry, absorbing any excess moisture. Repeat this process with fresh paper towels until the fries are completely dry. Remember, moisture is the enemy of crispiness. So, channel your inner drying champion and get those fries as dry as a bone. Section 6. Seasoning for flavor. Spice up your fries. Now it's time to add some flavor. Keep it simple with salt and pepper, or get creative with your favorite spices. In a large bowl, toss the dry sweet potato fries with olive oil. Make sure they're evenly coated, sprinkled generously with sea salt and black pepper. For an extra kick, try adding garlic powder, paprika, or even a pinch of cayenne pepper. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavor combinations. Sweet potato fries are a blank canvas for your culinary creativity. Section 7. Choosing your cooking method, oven-baked versus air-fried. We're almost there. In this section, we'll explore the differences between these two popular cooking methods and help you decide which one is best for your needs. Now it's time to choose your cooking method. Whether you prefer the traditional oven-baked approach or the modern air-fried technique, both have their unique advantages and can yield delicious results. Both oven baking and air frying yield delicious, crispy results. Oven baking is a tried and true method that has been used for generations, while air frying is a newer, innovative technique that has gained popularity for its convenience and health benefits. For oven-baked fries, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This high temperature ensures that the fries will cook evenly and become crispy on the outside while remaining tender on the inside. Spread the fries in a single layer on a baking sheet, lined with parchment paper. This helps to prevent sticking and allows for even cooking. Make sure the fries are not overcrowded, as this can lead to uneven cooking and less crispy results. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway through until golden brown and crispy. Flipping the fries ensures that they cook evenly on all sides and develop that perfect crispy texture we all love. For air-fried fries, preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. The air fryer uses hot air circulation to cook the fries, which can result in a crispier texture with less oil compared to traditional frying methods. Arrange the fries in a single layer in the air fryer basket. Similar to oven baking, it's important not to overcrowd the basket to ensure even cooking and maximum crispiness. Air fry for 15 to 20 minutes, shaking the basket halfway through until crispy. Shaking the basket helps to redistribute the fries and promotes even cooking, giving you that perfect crunch in every bite. Both methods deliver fantastic results, so choose whichever one you prefer. Whether you go for the traditional oven-baked method or the quick and convenient air-fried approach, you can't go wrong. Enjoy your crispy, delicious sweet potato fries. Section 8. Baking to golden perfection. Tips for even cooking. If you're baking your sweet potato fries, here are a few tips for achieving even cooking and maximum crispiness. First, use parchment paper. This prevents sticking and promotes even browning. Second, don't overcrowd the pan. Give those fries space to breathe and crisp up properly. Third, flip halfway through. This ensures that both sides get nice and golden brown. Remember, patience is key. Resist the urge to open the oven door too frequently, as this can lower the temperature and affect the cooking process. Section 9. Air frying for ultimate crispiness. A quick and easy option. Air frying is a game changer for crispy food lovers. It's quick, easy, and delivers incredibly crispy results. Here's how to air fry your sweet potato fries to perfection. First, preheat your air fryer. This ensures that the fries start cooking immediately. Second, don't overcrowd the basket. Give those fries room to circulate and crisp up evenly. Third, shake it up. Shake the basket halfway through cooking to prevent sticking and promote even browning. Air frying is a great option for busy weeknights when you're craving crispy fries without the hassle. Section 10, Taste Test, a symphony of crunch and flavor. All right, partners, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's dive into a taste test of our crispy sweet potato fries. As I take my first bite, I'm greeted with a satisfying crunch that echoes through the room. The exterior is golden brown and irresistibly crispy, while the interior is perfectly tender and fluffy. The natural sweetness of the sweet potato shines through, enhanced by a touch of salt and pepper seasoning. These fries are dangerously addictive and delicious. Section 11. Conclusion. Embrace the joy of crispy sweet potato fries. There you have it, my friends. The secret to perfectly crispy sweet potato fries is out. With a few simple steps and a little patience, you can enjoy these crispy treats anytime. So, what are you waiting for? Gather your ingredients and get ready to transform your sweet potato game. And don't forget to share your crispy creations with me. Tag me on social media, and let's connect.